Good morning, guys. This is Tony. Just moved up to Stassney to get a few more trains here in before I leave. But more importantly, I won't be able to film on Thursday at all due to weather conditions at this time. So I want to apologize. But here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22. Yeah, like I said, I repeat, on Thursday, I won't be able to film at all, all morning, all afternoon, and all nighttime due to weather conditions. Here comes 22. Here. Dang. No. There goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 leading 59 plus the Holland Show, and Martin on the way as well. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.